supposed to flip that upside down, should have thrown it away, but I guess I gotta do it manually. Very touchy, I say that. This ain't make it flip. Full bore reverse. Oh yeah, it does. Let's get up there and do it. It's Ross Recording Studios. It's new toy Bumblebee. Peace out. Hey, peace everybody. I'm Chuck. Welcome to Ross Recording Studios. Thank you for my 800 subscribers. Thank you everybody. I appreciate that. There's going to be a special video just coming up for that, but I threw this in there because, hey, I got to say thank you. Today we're doing the unboxing of Bumblebee, TumbleBee. Saw this in the store. It's like, that's pretty cool. Radioactive. Radio control, radioactive. Then I just saw Bumblebee again. It's like, I gotta go get it. I got in the truck, went to the store, and we picked up Bumblebee. So we gotta do the unboxing. I'll admit it, when I was a kid, we had toys, but we didn't have this. So maybe a little late in the game, but I got it. I got it. My father said he'd be shaking his head right now. He'd be going, oh my God. That's okay, Dad. Let's see what we got. Because it looks pretty cool. Crazy stunts, crazy action, light up eyes. 10-inch RCUSB TumbleBee, 10-inch scale, 2.4 gigahertz, full function radio controlled, internal lithium battery, ready to run, and all batteries are included. That's cool. Though I've got a pile of AAAs, AA's, and whatever we need, but continuing on, see if we can get this open without destroying the box. Here we go. Ooh, on a roll. Jumps, flips, 360-degree spins, woohoo! Little things amuse little minds. This is kind of stuck over here before, so what is it? It's tape. There we go. Now this side opens up too. There we go. Now we're cooking. Manual. Throw the manual away. Toss the box away. Oh, it's lithium batteries are included, but I thought they were built into it. I gotta put them in it. Oh boy, what do we got here? This is like Tape City here. These came right out on the bottom. That one came right out. Whoa! Maybe I should read the directions. Very delicate wire, and they got this thing taped in so difficult that you could rip and break it if you're not careful. Alright, so what are we going to do there? Be careful. That's annoying. Son of a bitch, gotta have a screwdriver. Edit, pause, cut. Yeah, it's gotta be a really fucking small screwdriver. Cocksucker. That battery must be fucking set in there, so I can't even help to take this one out. motherfucker. That thing's been fucking recording the whole